Welcome to our video on software development lifecycle. In this video, we will understand how it helps in creating high-quality software products. So, let's dive in.
The software development lifecycle is a systematic approach used by software developers to design, develop, and deploy software applications. It consists of several distinct stages that ensure the successful completion of a software project. Life cycle of software development is a framework for creating innovative software by following essential steps. Pilot requirement collection. Brainstorming and planning. Design a demo. Software development. Testing. Deployment. And maintenance support. Basically, the software development lifecycle, SDLC, showcases the construction process of software. The software lifecycle model can be both pictorial and diagrammatic diagram form, and the purpose is to jot down the following. Client special requirements. Detailed plan. How to develop. Maintenance. Technology used. Cost. Duration of development. Module and features involved. Dynamic stages of software development lifecycle. Six types of software development lifecycle model. Waterfall model. Iterative model. Agile development model. V-shape model. Spiral method. Prototyping model. In conclusion, the software development lifecycle is a fundamental process in creating reliable and high-quality software. By following the stages diligently and selecting the appropriate SDLC model, developers can streamline their projects and deliver exceptional results.